Okay guys, in this video we'll be showing you how to install your LCT, which stands for large capacity tray, that you see right there. It's important to remove this when you're moving the machines. If you're going to transport it to another location, it's always good to do that because the weight of the copier is so much heavier than that, and there's a very good chance you'll damage it. So or also if you're installing it for the first time. So let's get started. Okay, so there we have it. The LCT is removed. So if you purchase a machine from us with an LCT, most likely you're going to receive the machine with the LCT removed, such as the one you see here in the video. And we've gone ahead and done most of the work for you, such as installing your brackets. If you're installing this for the first time on your machine, let me go ahead and show you what your machine will look like and the extra steps that you will need to take. Okay, so your machine will look like this. It'll have all its covers in place. So you're going to have to notch out that plastic cover. You're going to have to remove that screw and remove this cover. You're also going to have to remove this cover, which is 2 screws right there that you see there. And you need to pop this out and pop that out. And once you have that, we can continue. Okay, like I said before, if you purchase a machine from us, we're going to go ahead and have it all ready to go, where all you need to do is install this LCT. And as you can see, the brackets are in place here. The covers are removed, and these covers are both popped out. And there you have it. So all you need to do is you need a Phillips screwdriver. We're going to be using a power drill just to make this quicker, but it's just a regular Phillips number 2, and you're going to have a little bag with 5 screws. That's all you need. So let's get started. First step we're going to do is extend that metal plate and align it to the machine. And once you see that top screw right there, go ahead and do it. Right there. That one and that one aligned, then you know you have it in place. It's not that difficult. Very easy to do, actually. And now we're going to go ahead and open the door. Let me make my way over here. So we're going to put that screw. Show them where you put that screw. Right there. And then we're going to do the back one. Okay. And we're not going to tighten those all the way just yet, just to make it easier to put the other remaining 3. So the third one's going to be right there. Fourth one's going to be in the middle. Fifth one there. Let me go ahead and show you the middle one in a different angle. It's going to be right there in the center. There you go. And then that's the other one. Let's start with the center one. Again, we're not going to tighten it all the way. Got to make sure they all go in first. And now we could tighten them. We're going to open the door and finish tightening those other 2 we started with. There we go. Once we have that, we're going to go ahead and get this cable that's hanging out here. And as you can see, there's a lock lever there, right there. Let me see if I can focus in. Okay, that's going to go on this side right here, on the left side. All you're going to do is line it up and snap it in there. Once you have that, you just slide the LCT into a lock and you are done. The LCT is installed. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and shoot us a message.